Good morning, children. We have already recited this poem, Run. You have done its word meanings. So today we'll move forward and do its exercise questions. Some questions based on its exercise. So let's begin. This is the poem written again. Let's revise it once. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away. And the poet is Mary Daunt. So our first question is, name the poet of this poem. So what is the name of poet of this poem? Who has written this poem? Mary Daunt. Answer is Mary Daunt. She is the poet of this poem. She has written this poem. ये पोएम किसने लिखी है? मैरी डॉन्ट ने. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Pick out the pairs of rhyming words from this poem. Now pick out the pairs of rhyming words. What do you know about rhyming words? They end with same sound. Let's see. In first stanza, can you see pair of rhyming word? I can see sun, run. Sun, run. They end with similar sound of un. So they are rhyming words. Now in the second stanza you can see trees, breeze. Trees, breeze. Third stanza, lane, again. Lane, again. And in the last stanza, day, away. Day, away. These are the pairs of rhyming words from this poem. Repeat with me. Sun, run. Trees, breeze. Lane, again. Day, away. Now, question is, what does the poem tell us to do? What does this poem tell us to do? You can see in this picture also. The poem tells us to run. The poem tells us to run. Write about the places where the poet wants us to run. So you have to write about various places where the poet wants us to run, as you have read in this poem. The poet wants us to run away from the city. The poet wants us to run away from the city and into the sun. This is sun. And this is a scene which is away from the city. ये शहर से दूर कहीं एक नज़ारा है जहाँ पे पोएट हमें चाहता है कि हम वहाँ पर रन करके चले जाएं. Run down the hillside. Run up the lane. Run under the trees. And run through the meadow. You know what is a meadow? Meadow is a field of grass. Meadow is a field of grass. Let's revise this question. What are the places where the poet wants us to run? So, the poet wants us to run away from the city, into the sun, down the hillside, up the lane, under the trees, and through the meadow. So you'll remember these 6 places where the poet wants us to run. So that's it for today, children. Just recite this poem once again and then complete its question answers. आप इस पोएम को एक बार फिर से पढ़िए, रिवाइज कीजिए और उसके बाद इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कंप्लीट करने हैं आपको. थैंक यू.